Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 50, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle. So for me, it's right over here. So once you find it, simply tap on it. This will immediately start recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. And once you're done with it, you can tap on this timer right here. It will automatically save that footage to your gallery application. Now quickly checking one more thing. Okay, never mind, there is no settings. I was hoping that there might be some settings for it when you for customization, but it looks like there is none. So anyway, let's go into that footage that we have captured, which will be located under gallery. If you go into albums, it should create a video folder if it didn't already have one. And in here you'll find your screen recordings. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.